Alright, hello! Okay, first things first, I am taking a gap year. Second thing, I am dogsing for the next 17 days. So I am in the owner's house right now and I'm taking care of you! I'm taking care of you! Okay, so I have taken care of him before. Once for 3 days, another time for 4 days. And yes, I do stay overnight, so if you want me to take care of your dog, let me know. Yeah, so this time it's gonna be 17 days because they're gone on a Christmas trip. So, it should be interesting. Best friends for the next 17 days!
Say bye, Susie. Say bye. Where'd you go? Say bye.
Day 6? Every damn time. Where is he?
Oh,
Honestly, I'm kind of sad that 1 week passed so fast because it means that the next week's gonna pass very fast and then I have to say bye. Watching Keith making his friends pets on Sims and he seems to be interested. Oh, you're so cute.
Or the cat. Oh.